Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the word problem of exercise 4D. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 is the simple subtraction problem. So there is no need to do it then. Still, I can do 1 or 2 more questions from the exercise 3 for your preference, for your concern. This is question number 3, 7th question. It is minus 5 by 14 minus of minus 2 by 7. See students, this type of questions we have to first convert into the standard form. So here two signs are there, so we have to convert it into the one sign. So it is minus 5 by 14. This is equivalent to minus plus 2 by 7. Now we can take the LCM of 14 and 7. So that LCM is 14. So how much we are multiplying in above numerator? 1, because 14 into 1 is 14, and here also. Similarly here I am multiplying by 2. So we are multiplying over here also 2. So 2. So this becomes minus 5 plus 4 by 14. So the answer becomes minus 1 by 14. Right? Another question you can see. 8th one. Minus 5 by minus 8 minus of minus 3 by 4. So 5 by 8, because both have the negative sign, so both will be eliminated, and here minus plus 3 by 4. So again you can do the LCM. So 8 LCM, 5 plus 4 in 3 into 2, 5 plus 6 by 8, 11 by 8. You can write it into the mixed form also. So this is how we do the questions. Now subtraction, the question number 4. Question number 4 says, subtract the sum of this and this from the sum of this and this. See students, again this is nothing but you have to add and subtract only, but this is in the word problem. So question number 4 says sum of this. So what is sum of minus 36 by 11 and 49 by 22? This is equal to minus 36 by 11 plus 49 by 22. Sum hai, so we will be having the positive sign. So this will be LCM taking 22. So into 2, minus 36 into 2, and here 49 into 2. Minus 72 plus 49 divided by 22. Right? And from the sum of this and this, sum of 33 by 8 and minus 19 by 4. 33 by 8 plus minus 19 by 4. You no need to have this sign, then you can have 33 by 8. We will be make it in standard because two signs are there. So plus minus 19 by 4. LCM 8, 33 minus 19 into 2. 33 minus 38 minus 5 by 8. Now what they are saying is subtract this sum from this. So you can write down over here, according to question, minus 5 by 8 minus 23 by 20. Minus 5 by 8 plus 23 by 22. Taking the LCM of 22 and 8 is Here you can take the LCM. 2 4s are 2 11. 88 it is. So 8 11s are. So minus 5 into 11. And here 22 into 4. So 23 into 4. Minus 55 plus 92 by 88. 37 by 88. Answer. This is how you do the word problem of the questions. Again, in the next question, the sum of two rational numbers is 4 by 21. If one of them is 5 by 7, find the other. So what we will do? We will subtract 5 by 7 from 4 by 21. So the other number you will write down, sum of two rational number 4 by 21, one of the number 5 by 7. So other number 4 by 21 minus 5 by 7. Right. So this can be done. The next question, the sum of two rational number is minus 3 by 8. If one of them is 3 by 16, find the other. Same question. The other number is minus 3 by 8 minus 3 by 16. Similarly, the next one, the sum of two rational number is minus 3. If one of them is minus 15 by 7, find the other. So minus 3 minus of minus 15 by 7. Next one, the sum of two rational number is minus 4 by 3. If one of them is minus 5, find the other. So minus 4 by 3 minus of minus 5. What should be added to minus 3 by 8 to get this? 5 by 12 minus of minus 3 by 8. What should be added to minus 12 by 5 to get 3? 3 minus of 12 by 5. What should be added to minus 5 by 7 to get minus 2 by 3? Minus 2 by 3 minus of 5 by 7. So similarly you can do these questions. Right. So I don't think so there is any problem in the word problem of exercise 4D, and you people can do the word problems. Right. So we can do the further also. I just make you understand multiplication. No need to do the 4E right now, but you can do till 4D. Now multiplication is what? Multiplication of rational numbers. By 5 by 2 by 6. If you have to multiply, what you will do? 3 by 5 into 2 by 7. Answer, numerator multiplied by numerator. 5 7s are 35. It's in standard form. We can write down this. Another example. 4 by 7 by 8. So 4 into 7 by 8. 4 ones are 4 2. Because here we cannot have these anything to make it standard form. So here we are converting this into the standard form by making it simpler. So 4 ones are 4 2. No number is there, you can write over here this. So 1 into 7 is 7, 7 by 2. This can be further written as 3, 1 by 2. Like this. Okay. Another thing. Minus 6 by 11 by minus 2 by 3. So minus 6 by 11 into minus 2 by 3. we can make it simpler. 3 2s are, now multiply, 2 2s are 4, and this is plus 4 because minus minus is plus 4. So this is minus. So this is how you do the multiplication. For today I am giving you that the question till your exercise 4D only. You have to complete exercise 4D only. On the next day we will be doing exercise 4E. Right, student? So complete the questions.